Hi, my name is Miranda Knobloch, and this is Week 3 Interactive Journal. So, Intro to Fractions. An activity I would do to introduce students to fractions, I would give students a worksheet that had pictures that are familiar to them, like pizza or pies. The worksheet would ask students questions about how many slices there are, and if they take a blank amount away of pieces, how much of the pie is gone. For example, if we had a pie that is cut into 8 slices and all pieces are there, it is one whole pie. If we take away 3 pieces, they would have to write it down as a fraction. The students would say, we have 5 pieces left, so it is now 5/8 of a pizza. One misconception that I remember having a problem with, and I know a lot of students may have a problem with in the beginning with fractions, is applying whole numbers operation rules. How I would fix this, I would ask my students to define what the numerator and denominator are. I would ask them how this works with addition. I would ask the students to create a story using familiar context to make sense of the operation. And then I would use area and linear manipulatives and be sure students connect the visual to the step in the algorithms. I chose to focus on fraction bars as a sub. I have seen students use these before, not on the computer, but as laminated sheets. I would use these on the computer or in laminated sheets because it gives the students visuals and helps them better understand their fractions. They could use this when they are working on their fractions and working on word problems. And these are my references.